Alright guys, I'm out here trying to catch anything right now. I was starting out hoping to catch a catfish. So far nothing. Caught a little bluegill, probably about that big. A little bluegill, probably about that big. And I was going to go turn the camera on and he got off. Turn the camera on and he got off. So much for that. I mean, he wasn't even worth showing, but I was going to show you that I've caught something so far. As you can see, I got my fishing cooler in the background. Yeah, let's go ahead and check everything out. See, I got it tied down to the dock, like I've showed you before. Got my catfishing rod and reels. Got my net, my tackle. I'm using some good old night crawlers. Not doing too good with them, but we got my line now. Hoping to catch something. It's a beautiful day out here at the creek. As you can see, the water's quite up. I did a video a while back showing this area, and the water was down a lot. So the water's up a lot. Been having a lot of splashing, a lot of big rippling action. So I mean, the water's up enough. I should be catching something more than bluegill, but right now, that's, I think, is all that's in this area that wants a night crawler. I don't know. I'm hoping pretty soon we're going to get something, but there was a big ripple out there. I don't know if you can see that. But the water's up. So it's should be catching something out here, but I'm not. But I'm out here, I'm trying, guys. Get something good on video. So stay tuned, guys. I hope I can get something. Alright guys, what I'm using today is my slider weight rig. Got my 1 ounce pyramid weight down to my leader, and I got a 1-off circle hook. And I'm only using just a little bit of the night crawler. I just split him in half. Sometimes I'll use a whole one or maybe two with a bigger circle hook, but usually do that at night when I know I'm going to target a big one. I wanted to get a big one today, but I'll take an eater size one right now. But at night I know I'm guaranteed a bigger one, so I'll use a bigger piece of the night crawler, or the whole night crawler, or I'll use 2. But today I'm just using half with a 1 leader barrel swivel. I think it's a size 5 barrel swivel. My slider weight, 1 ounce pyramid. Pretty simple rig, using like 15-pound line. See if we can get some. Now we sit and wait. Really hoping I can get something for you guys. like I said, the only thing I've got so far is a little tiny bluegill, and he wasn't even worth filming. I got one of my lines right over here. That sucker something pulled on it real hard. I went and got up. That was it. He left it alone. I thought I had something in. But I reeled it in. My night crawler was still on there, so. Oh, guys, I hope I can get something for you guys. But we sit and wait. Been out here maybe an hour and a half. Got one little bluegill. I don't know. Water level's up a lot, so I mean, I've had a lot of splashing and a lot of rippling action of something that had to be decent size, more than a bluegill. So I should be catching some. I don't know why I'm not. But if I don't get something pretty soon, guys, I'm gonna have to just call it a day. It's just nice just to get out here, guys. Man, something just splashed big right there. I don't know what that was. Not where my bait is. They always splash right in the spot that your bait is the opposite from. I don't know, guys. I'm trying to get something for you guys. Alright, guys, I've probably been out here about 2 hours, and I think all that's right where I'm able to cast, because a lot of the rippling action I'm seeing is a little bit where I can't cast because of the tree limbs. As you can see, we got a lot of tree limbs right there. I actually earlier got my line up in there somewhere, and it's hanging there. You can't see it, but yeah, I'm not able to cast way down there where, so all right here where I'm able to cast, there's seems to be nothing but bluegill. I should have brought my bluegill set up, and my light tackle and a small hook and a little bobber, and I didn't think about it, and I probably would have caught a lot of bluegill. Right now it's not looking good for any catfish action today. This was the time I usually come a little later in the day than this. It's probably around I'd say around 5 o'clock. Usually I come because it gets dark around 7 or so. So I usually come like an hour and a half or so before dark and get situated. But this is the time I had, so I come out here, And I have caught catfish at this time of the day in this spot in the past, but today's not the day, guys. All I had was a little bluegill, and I wasn't able to get him on the camera, but I tried. It's not working in my favor today. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pack everything up, get everything in the truck. I hope everyone's having a good one, and I'll see you guys in the next video.